How to get thicker hair naturally. Hair thinning is a very common problem nowadays. As hair are considered being an asset that enhances one's looks, balding or hair loss is a concern that lots of wish to correct as quickly as possible. A few of the common factors adding to hair loss are excessive emotional or physical stress, hormonal imbalances, dietary deficiencies, pollution, allergic reactions, utilization of wrong proper hair care products, poor proper hair care routine, and genetics. For those who have hair loss, you don't need to put money into costly treatments and merchandise. There are lots of natural treatments to get thicker and voluminous hair. Eggs. Take a couple of eggs, based on the duration of your hair, and beat it correctly. Use the egg on wet hair and let it take about half an hour. Wash hair with warm water and shampoo. This can be used protein treatment a couple of times per week. An choice would be to combine together 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of the hair oil of your liking and 2 teaspoons water. Make use of this mixture to massage your scalp completely. Follow this remedy once per week to savor thicker hair. Fenugreek Seeds. Soak 2 to 3 teaspoons fenugreek seeds in water for 8 to 10 hours. Grind the drenched seeds to create a fine paste. You may also combine 2 teaspoons of coconut milk inside it. Use the paste in your remaining hair head and let it take about half an hour before washing hair with warm water. When done weekly regularly, this remedy may prevent dry scalp, which help you like thicker hair. An alternative choice is by using water the fenugreek seeds drenched in overnight like a hair rinse. This can encourage hair regrowth and enable you to get rid of dry skin. Use it a couple of times per week. Indian gooseberry. Combine 1 teaspoon of Indian gooseberry or Indian gooseberry powder in 2 teaspoons coconut oil, as well as heat until boiling. Strain the oil and massage it on your scalp before you go to bed. The following morning, shampoo hair as how. Do this every. An alternative choice would be to combine 1/4 cup of warm water in a single half cup of Indian gooseberry powder and allow it to take about 10 minutes. Use the paste in your hair and then leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. Don't shampoo hair for couple of hours. Follow this remedy every couple of days. You may also go ahead and take Indian gooseberry fruit and its extract like a nutritional supplement for healthier hair.